Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi, and today's video is a working from home morning routine. So I finally have a routine, guys, after about 7 months in in the house. So 9:30 is my new wake up time, which is pretty early for me. If you know me, it's pretty early. And I start every morning using this new app that I found on Instagram. It's called the Liberation app. I believe it's called that. I go through there and I find a meditation that I want to do for the morning, and I do about 10 minutes. This app is pretty cool because it's really geared to Black and brown individuals, people like us, like you guys watching my channel. And it's just really relevant. So the meditations are supposed to be relevant and relatable. So I do 10-15 minutes in the morning, stretch my shoulders and my neck, relax or whatever, wake up basically. And I head to the bathroom. So I do a light face wash with this fresh soy face cleanser and just get ready to work out essentially. So I don't really do a really full skincare routine. Light wash of the face, brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer and my sunscreen. I use a really light moisturizer because I'm gonna go outside and work out. I don't use a really thick, whatever creamy one for this portion. And I put on my sunscreen. My hair looks crazy. We need to do it. But we're gonna do a little cute 2 ponytails and get into the rest of the morning. I'm a coffee drinker. I'm a big coffee drinker, which is not good for my teeth. My teeth need to be whitened because I'm drinking coffee every day, especially since I'm working from home. So I pour my coffee, my little French press or whatever, and I'm gonna just drink my coffee and answer emails, go through what I need to do that day. I'm really just answering emails at this point, and I'm just looking at my calendar, checking things out, nothing major at all. After about 30 minutes of coffee drinking and, influencer emails and stuff like that, I get ready to work out. I built myself a little home gym and I'll either work out in the living room or I'll go in the backyard and get some work done. I kind of keep it chill. This is a little warm up. I'm just getting my body warm and opening up my hips and stuff like that. And now we're working out. I have this little 15-pound slam ball. It was a birthday present, and I'm just gonna do some of these. I did 10 of these. Everything I did here, I did 10, and then I did each circuit 3 times. I am no workout professional. I am no trainer, so don't look to me for any type of advice or proper terminology, child. I'm just trying to get through working from home without being able to the gym or have anybody help me. My butt should have definitely been a lot lower with these squat little walk things, but hey, it got done. Again, I did those 3 workouts 3 times. Y'all will see me just out here trying to do a little sweat, trying to get a little something done. I find that working from home, if I work out in the morning, I just feel so much more energized. And as an influencer, I'm getting little shots from my Instagram stories, gotta post on my stories every day to get that, just a part of the job. Emails, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, all of that go into the day. I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling really proud of myself. And then I decided that I wasn't tired enough, so I did a 5-minute jump rope just to really get the most out of my workout. Hey guys, I probably already told you I'm in the backyard, but I love working out outside because I sweat so much more and I feel more energized. But I wanted just to say thanks for watching if you're still watching. I appreciate it. I really want to get more into vlogging and just doing other things on my channel. So anyways, I'm gonna go inside and finish the rest of my routine. It's 11:17, so we're almost done with the morning. So let's go. We're back in the house now. I should have began my day with water. I usually do like 8 ounces of water and a teaspoon or so of apple cider vinegar, but I just forgot. So this is my first drink of water all day. Not good at all, but I'm drinking it now. I'm getting some oatmeal. I use a regular, low sugar pack of oatmeal and a half a cup of almond milk for my oatmeal, and I put it in the microwave. And I'm showing you guys this app that I've been using to count my macros. I'm trying to get the best, I guess, out of my nutrients. So I have been using this app. It's free. It's called Chronometer. And I'm inputting everything that I'm eating. So it tells me, how much protein, how much fat, and how much carbs I'm ingesting and what I should be ingesting. And I can adjust that for my fitness goals. I've been loving this app. And it has the food saved that I've been entering. I just go through it and I pick what's already there that I've been eating all week. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So now I'm gonna sit and eat my food. I put some cinnamon and I put some flax seeds and I put some almonds into my oatmeal. Eat that, do some more emails. I'm going fast in this video, child. And now it's time for my KINKS packing of orders. I pack orders about every 2 days, sometimes every day, depending on, how many orders I get. This is about 2 days of orders. I haven't been doing the best promotion, so my orders have been slacking, but it's okay. I'm grateful for everyone that purchased from me. I need to get back on my promo, but I'm just packaging them, really simple stuff. I have a video on how I package my orders if anybody's interested, but I make sure that I do this, like I said, every day or every other day, depending on the number of orders. I have shirts, spray bottles, earrings, hair accessories, all kinds of stuff. And I have some new stuff coming at the end of the year. After I put the orders in the mailers, I just write a little number, the last digit of, each order number, and so I don't forget what's inside, and I make my labels, put my stickers, put my labels, and I'm ready for the post office. And I have everything that I've done so far. I'm going to now go to the post office and ship off the orders. I am on my way to the post office. It's 11:55 because I want to get these packages out of the house. I try to do packages every 2 days, sometimes every day if I have an influx of orders. I'm going to come back, take a shower, get ready. I'm going to film maybe 2 videos, and then I have my first therapy client at 2 o'clock. This is your first video of mine. If you just don't know, I am a speech therapist and I am doing teletherapy on the internet from home in the afternoons. So from 2 to 7, I'm seeing clients today. And yeah, if I don't pack my mornings, I'm not going to get stuff done after I finish my working for the day because I'd be tired. So I've been making a grave effort to get the majority of my influencer stuff done earlier in the day, because by the time I finish therapy and seeing the kids, I am beat. You would think that online would be easier, but I've learned over this past 7 months that it's actually harder than in person to keep them interested and to just, get through the day from home, because when you're at home, in my mind, I want to relax. So anyways, this schedule has been helping me so much. Waking up, meditating, working out, eating, doing some orders for my business, and then filming some content. So I'm gonna just go real quick up the street to the post office, get that out the way. I'm sweating because it's hot as hell out here. That's why I do not shower before I leave the house anymore. I used to shower right after I worked out, get in the car and I'll be sweating in like 2 seconds. So I'm like, I'm done with that. I'm gonna go to the post office first. If I stink, I stink. I don't think I stink though, but I probably do, child. I don't know. So I'm going to the post office, drop these orders off, and come back and get some other work done. The vlog might be ending here because it's the end of the morning, I guess. So we'll see. Let me back this car. I'm just talking in the car. I need to hurry up. All right, guys, so I'm back home from the post office. I'm about to take my shower, wash my face, get a little makeup on, like a light beat to record some YouTube videos. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It is like 12:15 right now. I'm probably gonna take a shower, get ready, eat something, record, do whatever I can before I have to start seeing my clients. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my morning routine. Comment down below and let me know what y'all be doing, if y'all are going back to work in person, if you work out early, work out at night. If I don't do things in the morning, I'm not gonna get it done. So I try, as of late specifically, to really pack in my days. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what other content you want to see from me, what other type of routines or vlogs. Why my hand like this? I'm just tired. Let me know in the comments down below, how early do y'all wake up? Is my 9 a.m. like amateur? Because I'm just getting into the 9 a.m. routine, like just like the past like month and a half. Before that, 10:30, 11 was my norm, and then I was stressed out and had no time to get things done. So I'm trying to really push it as early as I can, comfortably, because I don't want to burn myself out. But yeah, video lock off, video done. Hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.